How many celebrities have you fucked?
How many?
Celebs have you fucked?
How many what?
Celebs.
How many celebs have fucked?
Yeah.
Let's see, there's Otile, there's KRG, there's Willy Paul, there is Papa Jones, who else? There is Brown Mauzo, there is Masauti. Let me see. Who else? Of course, I work with money because for me, I charge for sleepover. I always do something like 250 to 200,000 for having a
sleepover. Wait. So you charge men to have sex with them?
What?
You charge men to have sex with them?
Yeah, I do. I mean, all these things that I'm expecting.
I'm done asking questions. Listen. So when in Malaya, I'm always in Malaya.
You be proud of your hustle, Xtian. It's something that's going to pay your bills.
No. So you're talking too much. When in Malaya, I'm always in Malaya.
I am not a Malaya. I'm just a girl for dick and money.
No. Keyword, you charge for sex. What does that make you?
Since Kunato, yes.
When in Malaya?
I am a hoe. Don't say that. I am a hoe. If you can't.
No, hoe in Malaya, but I'm just okay. You are a hoe.
Yeah, for money.
So anyone in Nairobi can fuck you if they have money.
Yeah, that's why I'm telling you my rates. I'm telling you.
Okay. From Victor Wanyama to KRG, to Ringtone, to Papa Jones. Okay, can you rank me the top 5 people who paid you the most amount of money?
What?
From Victor Wanyama to KRG, to Khaligraph, Jones, to Ringtone, who has paid you the most amount of money? The top 5 people.
I think the one who's paid me a lot of money, honestly, was Wanyama.
How much?
And then alikuwa ametoka tournament. Oh no.
How much?
That day in the house, that house was just everywhere. I even, like the good thing about me is that my free time I always watch Kama Sutra, Yeah, that was.
No, wait, you're deviating. How much did he pay you?
Was it 6? No. It was 700. Yeah.
700K kwa pussy megona mileage. Hi.
Okay, so that's a question that even my mom has always been asking. She's like, a few years from now, where you going to be, your reputation, because I was actually like developed a really good friendship with my mom. Like my mom is my best friend until yesterday when she saw the whole thing that was going on. I don't know this, blah blah blah, chit chats, And she was like, "What are you doing, Nini? You were going live, blah blah blah." I was like, I was just drunk and everything. I always usually ask myself that's exactly why I not invented exactly, but invested in online business. Because OnlyFans, I earned so much cash on OnlyFans. Then she came to accept
online business of selling nudes at 19 years old. Online business.
You sell yourself. No, it's like you're doing it indirectly. I think most of your OnlyFans, and it's about your body. And sell your content when you're talking, when you're doing this. And I usually go on a fee of 15,000 subscriber monthly. And like I have right now, I'm at 20.
Okay, Shakila, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this because I'm also getting tired to some extent. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna ask all these people who are watching here. Tutafutia Shakila usaidizi. Let's look for help for this girl.
What?
I'm saying you're so good, Shakila. You're so nice. But yeah, Shakila, hey, umenishtua. No, where do you study? Unasomea wapi?
Where I study.
Yeah.
My education background.
Yeah.
Of course, I'm Nigerian, so basically, I don't know. There was some rumor that I'm in Form 3 or something like that, which has been on the internet. I actually took it seriously. I'm not in high school. I'm in
Riara.
Yeah.
Iya wa Kristo. Hapa Mbagadi.
Mbagadi, yeah. Okay, yeah.
Hi. Okay, let me do this. Shakila, let me do this. Let me do this. I saw you apologize to Khaligraph Jones, which was good. Which was good. You apologized. It was good. Is there anyone else you want to apologize before I let you go?
Anyone I want to apologize? I think
Yeah, I want to apologize.
like yeah, I apologize.
I'm giving you a chance, Shakila. Ajit?
What?
I'm giving you a chance. Is there anyone you want to talk to?
Actually, what are you saying?
Is there anyone you want to apologize to?
Yeah. Also, you should apologize though, because your name was also mentioned in that. That was
The disclaimer is always mentioned. The interviewee's school of thought and whatever the interviewee says is for the interviewee. The interviewer ni ya interviewer. So miko kivyangu we ongea.
That was the footballer. Though I don't understand why it's still declining and everything. I'll just say a partial sorry. I'll say sorry, but I still won't take back my word. But I'll just say sorry. Yeah. That was Victor Wanyama. Yeah.
No comment. No comment on that. No comment on that. So Shakila, let me let you go. No, I want to call Sana. But yeah, hey, Ringtone to chance. Thank you, Shakila. Let me let you go because I'm saying internet. I don't know. Guys are calling you too much. Ringtone. Let me tell you something. That was part 2. Yeah, I'm gonna end this live. So you guys, and I ask this: is there anybody out there who has a story to talk about Ringtone? Muko na nini mnataka kuongea? Today is Ringtone's day. Let's make Ringtone famous. So please DM me, follow me on my other account at Xtian. If you have any screenshot on WhatsApp, munitumie huko. Not here. Tunaendelea na hii story paka asubuhi, tuache hii story. Yeah, also support all the businesses na support mnipatie pesa ni wa market, please support. But let me do this before I go. A lot of you, kuna mtu labda kwa hapa anataka kuongea about Ringtone na umo. Maybe mtu cross path na Ringtone kwa career yake, mtu amekuwa kwa hao ya Ringtone. We don't know. Uko wapi yuko hapa? Disclaimer, ule mtu naweka hapa hivi, jua. Wewe kuja hapa, wewe sema ndio unasema beba mzigo wako. Si mimi niko zangu. Mimi niko sawa. Nimeweka disclaimer. I'm just the host of the show. Mko wapi? 46,000 people, 45,000. History in Kenya. Mko wapi hivi? Kumbuka hashtag toboa pale Twitter. Hashtag Shakila ilikuwa nini? Delayed ejaculation. Nani ako hapa? Just comment. Hami niyo mkono juu. Anyone free to speak. Free to speak. Kama usai gongodo na Ringtone tokea hapa. Mkiwa high school. Kama usai fika kwa nyumba ya Ringtone. And I don't know why, man. Say Ringtone is one of the reasons why I left the gospel industry. And I gotta say this. There are a lot of good gospel artists in this country. But stupid little nincompoops, deadbeats like Ringtone are messing up the industry. Ringtone, unajita gospel, a father, whatever, gospel, God daddy, whatever you're calling yourself, man. Are you the epitome of gospel music in this country? Ringtone, umeokoka kweli. With all these stories, what I know, Ringtone, mimi nimepatia story yangu, Ringtone, toka gospel, nijoin huku penye mimi toka gospel. Ringtone, heri useme wewe si mtu gospel, iishie hapo. Iishie hapo Ringtone. Acha kusema wewe mtu gospel. Toka kama Pose alitoka siku hizi ni ambassador William Lawson na mimi huko tuna bucket pombe. Toka kama Bahati. Imba gengeton. Toka. Unajieka nini huko? Unajificha nini huko Ringtone? Kuja huku. Nani kwa hapa hivi? Atileta Ringtone. Okay. Actually that's a good idea. Kama kuna mtu akona namba ya Ringtone, I know Ringtone is watching. Ringtone, I want to see you right now. I'm giving you a chance. Yeah, I don't fear you, Ringtone. Tokea saa hizi Ringtone. Ringtone, if you are here, I'm giving you a chance right now. Come live with me, Ringtone. Hata nikupatie followers. Apoko, come here. Ringtone, come. Ringtone, I'm gonna count down from 10. And then I'm gonna end this thing, man. Tushawapatia juice ya kutosha. Ringtone tumekufanya umekuwa famous. Kesho ma blogs tutakuwa kila mahali Ringtone, pata ma followers Ringtone. Where are you, Ringtone? Ringtone, kwa wapi? Request. I'm looking for Ringtone. Ringtone is not here. Apoko is not here. Ringtone, I'm giving you the last chance, Ringtone. If you have Ringtone's number, call him. Acha akuje saizi. Ringtone, come through. Come through. Come through, Ringtone. Uko wapi? Ayuko. Last call, Ringtone. Last call. Niseme sikumpatia chance. Last call, Ringtone. I'm going, Ringtone. Nani kona story? Slide pale vyo Insta stories manze. Tuangalia story. Bado niko na story ingine moto. I have screenshots I'm posting right now. I'm not going to sleep. Check out my Insta stories right now. I'm posting stories. Hizo zote mnanitumia naenda kupost hapo hivyo. Finally, as I'm winding this up, I got to say, it's only fair to call a spade a spade. And it's only fair to put and state facts the way they are. And I got to say this to my brother Khaligraph Jones, manze. What Shakila did, what Shakila said, manze. Pole sana, bro. Bro, pole sana. Pole sana. Pole, bro, tumetona mbali. And that's why to some extent, bro, sikuamini story yake toka ngala video, manze. Chacha niketetea, lakini bro, it's a fact. Yeah, bro. It's a fact. Sikuamini, because I know Khaligraph, manze. Ni boy family man, manze. Walikuwa sama Khaligraph, tukiza amekuwa na mtu amekuwa sisi, amekuwa pusi, amekuwa gangster mwitu, gangster hana OG. Hana hizo, but ni boy is a very faithful man. Very, very faithful. I gotta say this. I know many artists in Kenya right now, like I know a lot of artists, and I know what they do behind the scenes. Because I'm with them there naona. I see. Khaligraph sijaiona. Na sisi tunamtetea kani mbaya. Kiariji the don hata tusiongelea. Ringtone apoko. Ringtone apoko. Tusiongelea. Victor Wanyama, I don't know him personally. I've met him like once Jeff Koinanga live. I don't know him personally as his social life. I don't know. I wouldn't judge. I wouldn't judge. I don't know. I have nothing to say about that. Shakila apologized. I have nothing to say about Victor Wanyama because I don't know him. I can't comment about someone I don't know on that personal level. He's more of an acquaintance. I got number yake. Tuna WhatsApp, hey bro. Lakini chilling out with him, with his boys, never done that. Maybe kama hajanijamia bro. Sina naomba kuvotia ukivai 2022 bro, ndakupigia kura, tanda kuweka maposta hapa for free bro. Zi utalivo bro kwa do. Yeah, but yeah. Hao wengine manzi poza ni kawaida bro. Okay, thank you very much guys. I am out. Apoko, let me see for the last time kama Poko kwa hapa hivi. Where's the Poko kwa wapi? Kuja hapa Ringtone. Ringtone. Hata nikwambia Ringtone. Sikuchuki na kudharau. Hata kleptomaniacs wanasema hivyo. Ain't got no beef with you, bro. Na kudharau tu. Niko na mauchungu lakini sikuchuki. Niko na mauchungu. Okay, guys. Kusha, done. I'm out. Thank you very much. We've made history. Yeah, I'm going to post some of the business that have been supporting me. I'm going to say kupata mabundles manzi boy child. Kufanya nini support them. Thank you very much. Kidogo nasikia kurudisha club COVID hapa hivi tuendelea na dhambi iko nini. Well, thank you very much for the stories. Cheers out. I have never ended alive at 38,000. Kuna mtu ananiambia manzi kai Xtian tuanze kujimarket. Kai, if this was me, ningeanza kupush my products. Acha niseme hivi wasee, acha niseme hivi. Check it. I gotta say this, I gotta give a big shout out to Next Wheels, manzi. Buy all your motifs from Next Wheels. Ni oboyonga njo Arnold Afuya cars. Big shout out to you Afuya. Najua ile time manzi ukianza kusell watu wanaanza kutoka kabla nisijali kabla mfike zero nishasema. Support Next Wheels kesho manzi. Pombe imerudi kesho ni kuserereka ni kulewa kuanguka na magoti. Ringtone, kuja Santorini kununulia boti. Tomorrow, let's meet at Santorini. Friday, we have DJ Kalonje coming in. Saturday, we have DJ Nash on the ones and twos. Sato manze, tuko na DJ Joe Mfalme, all the way from ametoka Tanzania juzi manze, DJ Joe Mfalme Santorini. A big shout out to Santorini, akina Gidi, akina Albo, akina nani wako hapo, akina Thuku. Maboy wangu wote hapo hivyo. I love you guys. You guys are really something that pitch and something that my DJ Slick. Johnny Tech manze nampatia mashout hapa. Msha make it in life manze. Kumbuka kama unataka kutravel, kumbuka ni Azami Concierge. Iko nini? Nazo post zote saizi go support, follow. By the nani wanapatia na do. Tangani see. Next Wheel kuna do wanapeana. Follow them right now. Next Wheels KE. They're giving out money. I think 1,000 2,000, I don't know, but follow them. Giving out money today tomorrow. Thank you very guys. I'm out. Ringtone amekata kuja nimesha nime market. Check simu ende, hamtaki kuenda. Ebu go guys. I'm done. I'm done with you guys for today. Story imeisha. Huni Jamal Gaddafi naona hapa hivi. Anaanza kutaja maselebo kwa hapa ni wachomee. Naona Jamal Gaddafi kwa hapa. Oh, wow, this is a very top gospel DJ uko hapa. Uko umeacha mtu wako uko hapa unaangalia dhambi. Oh, the freaking hell, we have a governor here. Ooh. Oh, there's a kuna MP. Oh. Who's it? Oh, we got a senator in the building. Bro, I see you, bro. Washaanza kuhepa. No, wameanza kuhepa. Wameanza kutaja majina. Na wataja muhepe. Tokeni hapa chini ujinga. Guys, I'm out. Ringtone, I'm just wasting time to see if Ringtone is coming. Ringtone is not coming, guys. I am out like I was never here. Thank you very much. Shakila tunaweza rudi naye. Ama Shakila rudi. Ati nataka Shakila. Unataka Shakila. Next, Aki ukam Ringtone amekataa. Yeah, check it. Go DM Ringtone. Mumwambie I want him live tomorrow. Akikubali nayo nayo. Tuongee. Iko nini? To settle beef kawa naume. Unaongeanga sana unataka akina pose yenye hawezi fanya kitu. Na nani bro, made you famous tonight. I'm out, man. Cheers.